Okay, now girls, a second assignment question number 2. Okay, assignment question number 2 is given in your book on page number 11. Okay, second assignment question is related with a seconds in a week. It's mean now we will calculate the number of seconds in a week. Okay, question is, girls, calculate the number of seconds in a week and express the number in power of 10 notation. Power of 10 notation mean again you will write your answer in standard form. Okay, now girls, assignment question number 1.2. Okay, solution is given, so you can see and you can practice it as well. Okay, question is, girls, assignment question number 1.2, which is related with the second in a week. Solution, as we know that, girls, 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, and 1 day is equal to 24 hour. Okay, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Okay, now girls, again you will convert week in number of second, or calculate the number of second in a week. Okay, girls, again same procedure will be applied. Example number 1.2 and assignment number 1.2. These two example assignments are completely same. Okay, so same procedure will be follow. Okay, now girls, now converting 1 week into number of second. Okay, so what we will do, girls, same procedure will be applied. 1 week is equal to, as we know that week is a given quantity. Okay, and number of second in a week is unknown quantity. So 1 week is equal to 1 week multiplied by 7 days, and as you know it very well that 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, now 1 day is equal to 24 hour, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Okay, now girls, again first we cancel the unit. Okay, so week cancel, day cancel, hour cancel, minute cancel. So it's mean remaining unit is second. Okay, so one in next step what you will write, girls, 1 week is equal to 1 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 second. Okay, so when you calculate, you can use the calculator as well. Okay, you can use calculator. So when you calculate 1 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 second. So 1 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 is equal to 604800 second. Okay, 1 week is equal to this. Now again the question is that write your answer in standard form. So it's mean now again we will write this value in standard form. Okay, same formula will be applied. So converting this value in standard form, n is equal to m multiplied by 10n. N is the number in simple notation, and number is 604800 second. Okay, m is Mantissa. Mantissa is equal to 6.048 into 10 raised to power. Mantissa is equal to 6.048. Okay, so because same rule will be applied. Okay, again girls, decimal is at the end of this value. So for converting the value in standard form, decimal will be moved toward first non-zero digit. So 6 is first non-zero digit, 0 is first zero digit. Okay, 4 is second non-zero digit. Okay, 8 is third non-zero digit, and this 0 is second zero digit, and this one is third zero digit. So according to rules of standard notation, decimal will be always placed after first non-zero digit. Okay, so new notation is 6.048 into 10 raised to power. Now again, power of 10 depends on the number of digits between initial position of decimal and new position of decimal. Okay, this is initial position of decimal, and this is new position of decimal. So again, let count the number 1 2 3 4 5. It means there are total 5 number of digits present between these position of decimal. Okay, so power of 10 will be 5. Okay, and according to Lars, if decimal move left toward left side, so it's mean power of 10 will be positive. But if we move the decimal toward right side, so right side mean power of 10 will be negative. Okay, so it's your example assignment question number 1.2. Okay, girls, kindly practice this example in your rough copy. Okay, now girls, example question number 1.3 on page number 11. Okay, girls, this example question is related with the smallest molecule. Okay, the smallest molecule is the diatomic hydrogen H2 with a bond length of 0.0000000074 meter. Write the answer in standard form. Okay, now size of atom or diameter of atom is given in simple notation. Okay, the value is given in simple notation, and again you will write your answer and again you will write this value in standard form or in scientific notation. Okay, so example question number 1.3. Okay, solution. Okay, and girls, n is equal to m multiplied by 10n. Okay, n is the number in simple notation, and m is mantissa, and 10n mean 10 exponent. Okay, the value is given in simple notation, the value is this. Okay, and girls, you will convert this value in standard notation, so again same rule will be applied. Okay, so as you know it very well, girls, that in this value 7 is first non-zero digit and 4 is second non-zero digit, and according to rules of standard notation, the decimal will be always placed after first non-zero digit. Okay, so a new notation is 7.4 into 10 raised to power. Okay, now again power of 10 depends on the number of digits present between the initial position of decimal and new position of decimal. And girls, you can see bache that this value is decimal fraction. Okay, decimal is already given in this value. Okay, but this value is not in standard notation, because the rule of standard notation is that the decimal will always be placed after first non-zero digit, but here the decimal is after first zero digit. It means this one is not standard notation, this one is standard notation. Okay, so again value is new notation is